Hello everyone. In this video we will see how to design a char lookahead adder in Verilog language. First of all, what is meant by char lookahead adder? A char lookahead adder reduces the propagation delay by introducing more complex hardware in the circuit. Generally we can add the two numbers by means of ripple carry adder. So at first stage both the first LSB will be get added up and then carry will propagate to the next stage. So until the carry arrives, the next to LSB I will have to wait. But whereas here in the char lookahead adder, the carry will be calculated separately by means of propagate and generate. Here we can see a diagram over here. It's a basic char lookahead adder where here we have C0 and C1, C2 and C3. Here the corresponding propagate terms and generate terms, and propagate terms and generate terms P0, P1, G1 and P2, G2 and P3, G3. What is meant by propagate and generate? So consider a truth table of an A, B, C. If A and B are the two inputs and C is a corresponding carry input, so if 0, 0, 0 and C plus 1 is 0. So here for the first three conditions, if you see here, the carry is not generating, the carry is always 0. So if it's AB is 0, 0, 0, 0 and 0, 1, the carry is not generating any new carry over here. Whereas here in the next case, for if it's A and B is 0, 1 and if C in is 1, then carry is propagating. Whatever in the carry term, it's propagating to the next stage, C plus 1 stage. That is called carry is propagating. So 0, 0 is propagating. 1 means 1 is propagating. So in the final third case, if A and B is 1, 1 and if C is 0, a new carry is generating. A new carry is generating in terms of 1. And if it's triple 1, the carry is generating as a 1. This is called carry generate. So by this means of truth table, we can equate the equation as a G is equal to AI dot BI and propagate is equal to A XOR B. A XOR B, the propagate term and generate term. The propagate term and generate term, generally we know that for full adder, sum is equal to A XOR B XOR C. So the A XOR B can be reduced by means of propagate term P XOR C. And then carry is AB plus BC plus CA. So AB plus, and take a C as a common, and here A plus B is a propagate term. So GA plus PA into CA. This is the corresponding value for carry for char lookahead adder. So we can expand this equation for how much number of bits we are going to implement. Suppose if you are going to implement a 4-bit char lookahead adder, then C1 is equal to carry C1 is equal to here CI so I is equal to 1 for first stage, CA is equal to the I plus 1 stage. Consider this as a I plus 1 stage. So carry I plus 1. So we are doing for first stage. Okay, consider this as 0. So 0 plus 1 C1. C1 is equal to G0 plus P0 into C0. You can see over here C1 is equal to G0 plus P0 into C0. Where C2 is equal to G1 plus P1 into C1. C1 we already know, G0 plus P0 into C0. So it has been expanded by means of G1 plus P1 G0 plus P1 P0 C0. And likewise C3 is equal to G2 plus P2 into C2. We know the value of C2. So we expand it by means of C3 is equal to G2 plus P2 G1 plus P2 P1 G0 plus P2 P1 P0 C0. Likewise C4 has been expanded like this. So now we will design a 4-bit char lookahead adder by means of Verilog language. At first module, char lookahead adder is a corresponding module name. The output is sum, carry, A, B, and third input is C of 0. C of 0. The inputs are going to be 4-bit, where we will perform for 4-bit char lookahead adder. So 4-bit 3 down to 0, A comma B, and the input is C0. So here the input is C0 over here. The inputs are A0, B0, A1, B1, A2, B2, B3, B3. So we have designed by means of 4-bit 3 down to 0, A comma B, and the third input is C of 0, carry in C of 0, and the output terms are 3 down to 0, sum, 3 down to 0 sum, and the last carry is output C of 4. C out is C of 4. So here for a corresponding 4-bit carry look ahead adder, we will get 4 propagate terms and 4 generate terms. So we will declare those as a wire P0, P1, P2, P3, G0, G1, G2, G3. Likewise, so here the in-between carries are the corresponding C1, C2, C3, C4 are the in-between carries. So we will declare those as a wires C1, C1, C2, C3, C4. These are the corresponding in-between carries which is propagating from the one stage to another stage. You can see here C1, C2, C3, and then at last we will assign C4 to the C of 0. So these are the wires. So now we know the statement assign statement P0 is equal to A of 0 XOR V of 0. P1 is equal to A of 1 V of 1. Likewise P2 and P3. Likewise generate terms G0. G0 is equal to A of 0 and B of 0. G1 is equal to A of 3, A of 2 and B of 2, A of 1 and B of 1. And then assign. So now we have initiate propagate terms and generate terms. So now we know this propagate terms and generate terms has been initiated. So now we need to assign the C1, C2, C3 and C4. We know the equation already. So now assign C1 is equal to C1 is equal to G0 or P0 and C0. I have done the same equation. C1 is equal to G0 plus P0 into C0. Now C2 is equal to G1 plus P1 G0, P1 P0 C0. So already for time consumption already I have done this equation. Let me copy this. So C2 is equal to G1 P1 and G0 or P1 P0 and C of 0. the same as your corresponding this equation. C3 is equal to G2 plus P2 G1. The same equation has been expanded in the Verilog language by using Verilog operators. So once we have done this, now assign the corresponding sum terms. Assign sum of 0. Sum of 0 is equal to P naught XOR C of 0. Sum of 1 is equal to P1 C1 C2 P2 sum of 2, and sum of 3 is equal to P3 C3 comma C of 4. The C of 4 is the corresponding output. C of 4 is assigned to the C4 wire carry term and end module. So what happened here means we have expanded the basic equations of Carl Looker adder in terms of Verilog operators. Simple as that. So now I have copied this program and I have pasted over here. So you can see here Carl Looker adder. We have declared this input as a 4-bit values, and then third bit input is Cin, and then we have declared all the assigned statements P0, P1, P2, P3, G0, G1, G2, G3. And likewise we have declared the carry terms, and then we have declared the sum terms. Now we have written the test bench. The test bench is A, B, C. There are 3 inputs. The first input can be any value, so 1 1 0 0. It's a 4-bit, so 0 0 1 1. And suppose if the carry in is 0, then what happens? We have given different 3 cases. Let us execute this program. Here you can see here the first input is 1 1 0 0 and 4 ones I have given. So carry in is 0. So 0 1 is 1, 0 1 is 1, and 1 1 is sum is 0, and carry is propagated to the next stage, so 1, and the 4th bit C of 4 is 1. For second case the input is 1 0 1 1 0 0 and 1 0 1 1, and C in is 0. So 1 has been completed over here, and 0 1 is sum is 1, and for 1 0 sum is 1, for 1 1 sum is 0 and carry is 1. And for third case I have taken the same input but with the C in as a 0. So since C in is 0, so 1 1 is sum is 0, carry is 1, and so carry is 1 and propagating to next stage. So the carry is 1 and the output is 1 0 0. So this is how we can do a Carl Looker adder in Verilog language. Thank you for watching.